Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make TradingView full screen. Alright, let's begin. First, open TradingView on your computer. Once your chart is loaded, you'll notice toolbars and panels around the main chart. While these are helpful, sometimes you need a distraction-free view to focus better on the price action and details. To switch to full screen, simply press the Shift key and the F key together. This will hide all toolbars and panels, giving you a clean, immersive view of your chart. It feels like turning your entire screen into a dedicated chart viewer. This is perfect for spotting patterns, analyzing trends, or just enjoying an uncluttered workspace. Keep in mind, while in this mode, you won't have access to indicators, drawing tools, or settings until you exit. To bring everything back, press the Escape key, and your screen will return to the normal layout with all functions restored. So that's basically how you can make TradingView full screen. That's it for this video. Thanks.